The Ryvid Anthem is a complete rethinking of how a motorcycle should be built. It lacks a traditional frame and instead uses folded metal to create a lightweight but sturdy box frame. The frame uses mechanical fasteners rather than welding as many joints as possible to create a simpler assembly process that results in a bike that is easier to manufacture directly and therefore less costly. It also allowed designers to create interesting new features like adjustable suspension points and head tube angles that could completely change the ride and feel of the bike. These types of modifications require tools and time to adjust, but there is another cool feature that can be adjusted mid-ride. The seat height can be raised or lowered by up to 4 inches, 10 centimeters, thanks to an actuator built into the frame. All it takes is a push of a button on the handlebar to make the seat move up or down, creating a comfortable position for riders of almost any height. You can even keep the seat higher while driving and drop it down at traffic lights for a more comfortable flat-footed stance. This is a level of customization not previously possible in the motorcycle industry. Weighing in at around 240 pounds, 108 kilograms, there's not that much of a bike underneath you. It's easy to cruise around and have fun with because it feels like a lightweight little dirt bike, but still lets you cruise the pavement like you're riding a much more powerful ride. There are also 2 different gear ratios that the bike can be equipped with. If you need to reach higher speeds, a shorter gear ratio will allow you to continue flying at up to 120 kilometers per hour, 75 miles per hour. He also likes that it favors higher speeds to keep the engine in its efficient range. This gear system consumes more battery when operated at lower city speeds. If you don't mind losing 10 or more mph from top end, the higher gear option gives you an even torquier ride that moves off the line and tends to be more efficient at city speeds. Part of that lightweight design comes from the small battery. It's only a 4.3 kilowatt-hour pack, so it won't turn this into a touring bike. The battery can be charged on the bike using an external charger from a 110V or 220V wall outlet, like the one you'll find in any garage, but the battery can also be removed for remote charging. When it comes to range, the Ryvid Anthem has a range of 75 miles in eco mode and 50 miles in sport mode.